Hickory Golf's the nearest thing to a Radox hot bath in that it's relaxing because you don't hit the ball hard. You caress the ball up the fairway. You're just trying to get a nice strike and get it running and bouncing and chasing. And it just brings in all that side of the game, which is a fascination when too much of the modern game maybe is whang as far as you can possibly hit it, then wedge it onto the green. You miss out a lot of the journey.
It's super hard. The stuff's, they're antiques. You're meeting like-minded golf historians. Not that I'm much of a historian, but they have an appreciation for a different aspect of the game that's probably, pretty much forgotten about. Although, it turns out it's not, because there's 120 people here, who absolutely love it. And you get to play these old, fantastic courses.